Good morning, students. So today's date is 11th of January 2025 and today is Bagless Saturday and today's activity is English activity. Give your opinion. Now students, I am going to ask you some questions. You have to answer the questions. Okay? We will discuss on the topic. My question is, why is clothes, footwear, shoes or socks not allowed in the examination hall? Yes, Mosam, will you answer? Yes, okay.
Clothes, footwear, shoes, socks are not permitted in the examination hall since they enhance the possibility of cheating.
Yes, very good. Okay, why is clothes, footwear like shoes, socks not allowed in the examination hall? What you will answer, Ria?
For preventing copy hitting notes and other material for using in a answer sheet.
Okay. Then my second question is to Divanshi. Why has the institute not allowed electronic gadgets in the hall?
The electronic gadgets with new technology comes with internet access with easy for find to answer sheet.
Okay, that's good. Okay, my next question is to Arju. What other measures can be taken to prevent copy?
Suppose their setting arrangement use technology to prevent cheating during board exam like using CCTV camera.
Very good. They have given very nice answer. Clap for them, students. Ansh, why is clothes, footwear, shoes or socks not allowed in the examination hall? What you will answer, Vansh?
Closet footwear, shoes, socks not allowed examination hall because it increase the risk of the cheating.
Yes, it increases the risk of the cheating. Exactly. Okay.
Super wheel camera, CCTV cameras in each
It's CCTV.
cameras in each class hall, sharing cloths, compass boxes, etc.
Okay, my same questions are there for you. Okay, so Pranay, I want to ask you a question. Why is clothes, footwear, shoes, socks not allowed in the examination hall, Pranay?
Yes. Clothes, footwear, shoes, socks is not allowed in the examination hall because it increases the risk of cheating.
Yes, it increases the risk of cheating. Okay, Nayan, will you answer me? Why has the institute not allowed electronic gadget in the hall?
Some candidate they
Today's our second activity is problems do you believe is the most serious. We have 3 points: climate change, overpopulation and epidemic diseases. Okay, so we will discuss. Okay, who will tell on climate change? What means which is the problem is most serious for you? You think? Okay, who will tell? Okay, Ria.
Climate change is a long-term shift in weather pattern and temperature that's caused by human events and natural events.
Very good, Ria. Nice. Again, anybody wants to tell on climate change? Yes. Okay, Tanuja.
Climate change is the considered by many to be one of the most serious facing the world today.
Okay, facing the world today. Yes, right. Again, anybody wants to say? Okay, Sagar.
Climate change is the most serious problem plant and ones and it can affect
It can affect.
all the creature of the earth.
Yes, it can affect all the creatures on the earth. Very good. Okay, Pranay, do you want to tell? Yes.
Climate change to long-term shifts in temperature and weather patterns.
Okay, anybody wants to tell on climate change again? Okay, then we have second point, overpopulation. Who wants to tell on overpopulation? Yes, Divanshi.
The overpopulation is growing at a very fast rate. The growth of population is increasing. The amount of population in our air and water supply and natural resources.
Yes, very good, Divanshi. Okay, Mosam, do you want to tell? Okay.
Overpopulation is one of the country's most pressing of social problem. People are dying because overpopulation is preventing and diseases.
Yes, exactly. Overpopulation is the greatest problem for us nowadays. Okay. Anybody wants to say on overpopulation again? Yes, Nayan? Okay, we have next point, epidemic diseases. Who wants to say on epidemic?
Diarrhea, diseases, fever, and fever.
This was our discussion. Students told many facing problems on climate change, overpopulation and epidemic diseases. Okay, so all the students clap for them.